Welcome to your dashboard and your schedule. If you'd like to adjust the way that your dashboard looks and change the widgets around, simply click the little cube button on the top left corner. And here you will have all of the widgets available to you. You can set them to be a specific size depending on the screen width, and you can change them in order that you would like to see them, and simply click Apply Modifications. And you will now see your new view. So all of the widgets that you have chosen to see will be displayed on the screen in the order you have placed them in. The schedule is the best place to set your route plan for the day, the week, the month, and beyond. So why don't we jump in and show you how it works. So you simply have to select a day and a time that you would like to set your meeting for. Double click in the place you'd like to set the meeting for. You can put a subject. You can change the date and time in here or alter the length of your meeting. And click Done. If you're a manager, you will have access to all of the reps and can set a meeting for anybody. But if you are a rep, you will only be able to choose yourself. You will then select the store type. Then you select the client. You will see the client number, then a number next to OD, which is the days overdue that this store is to be seen, and that is set by your management for your frequency, and then the name of the store and the address. You can select the visit type. Is it an in-store, standard call, quick call, phone call, email, delivery, or other? You can then select to link this to your calendar, whether it be Google or Outlook. And then you have a reoccurrence type. You can set this to be daily, weekly, every 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, or 12 weeks. And if you select this, make sure to set a reoccurrence until date. If you do not set a reoccurrence until date, this will go on for the next 6 months. So make sure that you set a time for this reoccurrence to end. So if this is a meeting that you'd like to set weekly, only for the next 2 months, select that here and press Done. Once you press Done on your meeting, since you have selected the option to link this to your Outlook calendar, you will have a pop-up. Simply select it, and you can put any extra information you would like here. And once you save and close, this will save into your calendar. And now you have your call that you have created. Simply click on the call. You can delete it here if you'd like, or if you've made a mistake, or you can edit the details as well, or simply click on the store number and the client card for that specific store will open up. Now, to log a call, simply scroll down to the visits section. There are 2 types of calls. There are the planned calls, which is what we have just done here. And you will see that there is a Done button compared to a cold call that you have entered that does not have a Done button. So there is the difference. A planned call will have the Done button. So you simply click Done, and then you can edit the call. So you can put all of the information that you have on this call, all of the details that you have, and then select Save. And here you'll see the difference. This was a planned call and you have completed it, and this was a cold call. If this is just a cold call, simply click New Visit, select the type of visit this is. You can select the date over here. You can select a start time and end time, and then enter any notes that you would like as well, and click Save. So again, you see the difference between a planned call and a cold call. You can also go check on your progress by going to Sales Team Reports, Detailed Call Reports, And you can see what you have been doing at the action type, any notes, the objective status or the call type, and the descriptions and the date. But if you go to the next tab, Detailed Call Report Summary, and select Call Summary and refresh, you will see all the different types of calls, including the actual number of calls, the total calls, the planned calls, the done calls, and the cold calls.